Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will discuss about interlock and a simple example program. What is interlock? See, interlock is a safety or control mechanism that prevents certain actions unless specific conditions are met. See, this is a basic definition of an interlock. Interlocks are very important in industries. Generally, we will use these interlocks such that we can prevent some safety related accidents. See these below examples. The first one is machine guard. A machine won't run if its safety door is open. For example, there is a machine and the operator given the start command for the machine, but its safety door is in open condition instead of close. When there is an interlock for this safety door is there, then even though the operator given the start command, but the machine will not start because the door sensor interlock stops the motor. Okay, the program will not be active or will not activate the output command even though the operator given the start command because of the safety interlock program. Another example is conveyor belt. A conveyor belt won't start unless all emergency stop buttons are released. For every machine, motor, pump, conveyor belt, etc., all the machines in industries will have the emergency stop buttons. The default state of the stop buttons must be in release state. Okay, then only the machine will start. This is also one of the basic interlock example. Okay, now we will discuss one example. We'll go to the example. The example is interlock for two outputs. Develop a PLC program to control a motor forward and reverse rotation using two switches SW1 and SW2. There is a motor. The motor output either it can rotate in forward direction when the output Q1 is in on state, or it can rotate in reverse direction when the output Q2 is in on state. These two outputs are directly controlled using two switches. If switch 1 is on, then the motor rotates in forward direction. That means Q1 will be on. If switch 2 is in on state, then the motor rotates in reverse direction. That means Q2 will be in on state. Okay. Ensure that only one output is active at a time. Okay. The motor can rotate either in forward direction or in reverse direction. Definitely it will not rotate in both directions at a time. If you give such type of command, then the motor will be damaged. So we have to prevent these type of damages using interlocks. Okay. If both switches are on at a time, then all outputs is in off state. Okay. When switch 1 is on, Q1 will be on. When switch 2 is on, Q2 will be on. If in case by mistake operator presses both switches at a time, then all outputs should be in off state. So this is a basic interlock for two outputs. Now open your software. Now take two inputs and I will take I3 and I4. You can use any input add the comment also. I3 is my switch 1 and I4 is my switch 2. Next, take two outputs. Q1 is my motor forward output. Q2 is my motor reverse output. Now, for interlock purpose, I will use basic functions AND gate. Okay, take two AND blocks and give the comment. The top one is my AND 1 and second one is my AND 2. Now connect first AND gate output with Q1 and second AND gate output with Q2. Now connect switch 1 input 3 to the first input of AND gate. Similarly, connect switch 2 with first input of second AND gate. Now connect switch 1 with the last input of second AND gate. Similarly, connect switch 2 with the last input of first AND gate. Now adjust the overlapping so that we will have better clarity. Okay. Now what I will do, I want to add one NOT gate to the second input of both the AND gates. Either you can use the NOT block from the basic functions, or what I will do, I will just do this simple double click of the second input, then one bubble will appear. This means the input is inverted, the NOT is added. Similarly, I will press 2 times in the second AND gate also. NOT gate is added. This is the program completed. Now open the PLC hardware and download the program. If you don't have the PLC hardware with you, just do the simulation and test the logic. I suggest you to open your PLC software and practice the program instead of simply watching the videos. You will not remember after some time if you only watch the videos. You must practice the lesson or examples or assignments or tasks you must perform with your hands. And now I will go to the online mode. Select the IP and click OK. Okay. Now when I press the switch 1, when I turn on the switch 1, motor forward will be active. That means Q1 will be on. See, switch 1 is on. The first AND gate, two inputs are on state. The first input is switch 1, it is in on state, and the second input is switch 2, but the NOT is added. That is why switch 2 is in off state, and because of NOT it is in on, and AND gate both inputs are in on state, the output is on. Now what I will do, I will turn off the switch 1 and turn on the switch 2. What happens? The second AND gate output is on. That is why output Q2 is on. That means motor is rotating in reverse direction. You can see the second AND gate inputs are in on state. That is why output is in on state. Let's suppose in this case I will turn on the switch 1. That means both switches are on at a time. In this case, the outputs are in off state. Both are in off switch state. The NOT gate or NOT input of the AND blocks, making the outputs in off state. Simple. This is very simple logic using AND and NOT blocks. Okay. Practice this logic. And one more simple task for you is, this is a interlock of two outputs. Now consider interlock of three outputs. You have three inputs, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and you have three outputs, Q1, Q2, Q3. Switch 1 is when switch 1 is in on state, Q1 will be on. When switch 2 will be in on state, Q2 will be on. When switch 3 is in on state, Q3 will be in on state. Okay. If two switches or three switches are on at a time, then all outputs must be in off state. Okay. Now try to solve this logic and share with us how you implemented this logic. Remember, this second task is similar to the same program which is we discussed here. I just added one more input and one more output. Okay. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video.